My Forerunner 2013. When I put in reverse, they go forward. What happened here? Oh, something wrong with transmission. 2013 Toyota Forerunner. I put in the reverse and it just go forward. Get the hell out of me. I don't know what's wrong. We didn't do nothing. Oh, Toyota.